I've already made the foundation chain of 12 chains plus 1. Skip the first chain from the hook and insert the hook into the second chain. You yarn over and pull the yarn through the chain stitch. You should now have 2 loops on the hook. To finish the stitch, you yarn over again, pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That completes a single crochet stitch. Repeat that sequence into each chain across the foundation chain to complete the row. If you want to see more about these stitches in a full pattern, check out the extended Crochet 101 course. We're going to dive into chart symbols and abbreviations, how to read a pattern, some of the finer points of this. It's often helpful to practice new stitches in a contrasting color, so you can see things better. So we've got a turning chain here. At the end of the single crochet row, you chain 1. This is the turning chain, and it prepares you for the height of the next row. For all the rows after the foundation, you insert the hook under both top loops of the V part of the stitch from the previous row. Now that you've mastered this technique, you are one step closer to our main course project. This is the same stitch we'll be using to make the can cozy. Subscribe now so you don't miss any part of the Crochet 101 series